Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install IPTV Smarters on any Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV Cube, or Fire TV device. Now IPTV Smarters is one of the most popular IPTV players available that is used by thousands if not millions of cord cutters worldwide. Now because this is not available in the Amazon App Store, we will need to sideload IPTV Smarters on our device. Now in this example, I am using an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, but this tutorial will work on any Fire TV device. The first thing we need to do is hover over Find from the home screen, then click Search, and we need to install the Downloader app. So type in Downloader, and you'll see it populates in the menu. Click Downloader, and then click the orange icon for Downloader under Apps and Games, and then click Download, and then just wait a few seconds while the Downloader app is installing on your device. Alright, now after Downloader has installed on your device, before opening, click the Home button on your remote, and there's a few settings we need to change here. So hover over the Settings icon, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click About, and then click Fire TV Stick 4K or whatever this says here until you see the following message. No need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click the back button on your remote, click Developer Options, click Apps from Unknown Sources, click Turn On, and now Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. So now click the Home button on your remote and scroll down and then find Downloader, click Downloader to launch it, click Allow, click OK, and you've now installed Downloader. Now after installing Downloader, simply click the search box and enter the following code, 298344, double check that, and then click Go. And then just wait a few seconds here while you are being redirected to our IPTV Wire Quick Links page. Now our Quick Links page has everything you need in terms of streaming apps, tools, and more. The first thing I suggest doing as you get to our Quick Links page is coming up to the top right and clicking this button here. There we go. Click that. Click Add Current Page to Favorites. Click Save. And now Quick Links isn't saved in your favorites. One thing I always like to do too is click this X on the bottom here for this message. So now scroll down, and under IPTV players, you will see IPTV Smarters Pro. Click that. And now we're going to wait a few seconds for IPTV Smarters to install on our Amazon Fire Stick. Now this depends on your internet speed and also how much internal storage you have available on your Fire Stick. Alright, after IPTV Smarters has downloaded on your Fire Stick, click Install. And again, just wait a few more seconds here for IPTV Smarters to install. And now the app has installed. Click Done. And one thing I always like to do is delete the installation file. Click Delete, and then click Delete again. And now hold down the Home button on your remote. Click Apps. Click the Select button with the 3 lines. Click Move. And now move IPTV Smarters wherever you want on your app list. Click OK to drop it. Click the Home button. And now IPTV Smarters is installed. So now let's launch IPTV Smarters. And you'll see here we have a device option. Make sure it's selected TV, then click Save. And now we are presented with several options. We can either load our M3U URL, we can load our data from a device, play a single stream, or log in with Xtream Codes API.